Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance J&J Matrimony. The song is Maybe You. The artist is Maxwell, and of course the choreography is James and Jackie Rice. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction, I'll post it at the end of this dance, and also check out Jackie and James Rice instructional also. And here we go. And there you go, J&J Matrimony. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.